Oh. Oh. Some ghetto ass shit right here, boy. Oh, let's start this bitch. Touch it right now.
No.
Touch it.
You touch it.
Alright. Touch it. Ah!
Fuck you.
Oh my god. Alright. I hope you can hear me. I'm on the way home right now. I haven't been uploading. I hurt my knee, so I've been dealing with that. I tore my meniscus a little bit, so I've been handling a few things with that. So I haven't been able to be as active, but I'm getting back to it. My knee's better. I'm back training. I'm back working 100%. So in this video, you'll see this is Buttercup. Buttercup's been in a few other videos I've had. And he finally got his Integra up and running. This thing was in, ooh, that's a clean. This Integra was in pieces. His transmission was in the trunk when he first got this thing. I'm surprised it's even running, and running pretty good at that. So we rigged up a really ghetto way to start this thing because it had a janky security system in it. Everything was all whacked off. So here's a little clip of getting the Integra running while we wait for some other things to come in for the car. And I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty. I know he's pretty satisfied about it, getting it up and running. But not to worry, we got more two-door stuff on the way, and just something to put some content out there, and you know, see some of our ghetto rigging of some stuff to get it up and running. All right, you're an accessory. You're good. Oh, let's start this bitch. Yeah, give it a little bit. Slowly. Yeah, you really gotta bleed the slave so that your throttle bearing doesn't make that fucked up noise. You just.
It kind of had a nice rhythm to it.
Yeah, this sounded really fucked up. Yeah. Put it on accessory again so you can hear it.
I could fucking hear it.
Oh, okay, all right.
It was like a knocking. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's not knocking.
It's not knocking?
It's not knocking.
You look like the Great Value Bruno, Mom.
It's not knocking.
All right. Turn it in. You want to do it again? Yeah. All right, so that's your exhaust.
So why?
It's hot as fuck. Want to touch it?
No.
Touch it right now.
No.
Touch it.
You touch it.
All right. Touch it. Ah!
Fuck you. That was warm.
All right, fuck it. We're just gonna. All right. That's it. Let's try it again. See if we hear that badass noise. Yeah, put this. Fuck it. This right here. This isn't even on.
That's fine.
It works for now, I guess. Why is your fan on? Why is your fan on? It's that tune, bro. It's that shorted relay. It's the most ghetto startup ever. Yeah. You ready? Whew. Ghetto start again. Ready? 3. All right, as you get the exhaust on, I don't think it's going to be as lopey as you think.
That's okay.
Maybe a little bit.
It's plenty loud.
But I think this is a cheap header because it's a little warped and, well, you're missing all the nuts, but it's leaking out of that one a little bit more.
I think if I tighten this, get it enough for this one, it'll be a little bit better.
Great observation.
That is your that is my A1 observation recommendation from Leon Mechanics.
Right. Yeah, almost there.
I'm at 30 pounds.
All right, I'm gonna go home.
Okay. Oh, you put it there.
Put a dent. Show him. Put a dent. Oh, put a dent in it. Oh. Oh. Shit. Okay. That was pretty funny. All right, so we should probably put this in the trunk. This will be better in the trunk.
Route it all the way to the trunk?
Correct. Route it to the trunk.
And then still have that
yeah, we can do it on the button because this is your button right now. Look at that. Give it a little bumpy bump. Yeah.
So I'll have to make a